Hello guys, welcome to today's analysis on CELR network. Let me show you some beautiful thing that is happening on CELR network and how it will assist you in your coin holding. Let's pick it from point 4. Point 4 was this zone when the CELR hit the market very hard and the CELR network dropped downward towards its 200-day moving average, but it created a support zone around 200-day. Then it had a little bit rally. While the rally was short-lived, the sellers take charge again and send the price downward, hitting the support zone the second time. The beautiful thing about this is that look at the bottom of the chart. While the CELR network was dropping and in correction, the volume was well below average. The only volume that was above the average volume is this particular volume, and it's a buy volume when it hit the 50-day average line. The buyers try to push up the price a little bit, but they are still very weak and they close below the 50-day average line. That indicates their weakness. But something else happened. The story changed from this bar. When you look at the last correction and the volume on the chart, the volume was so low and tiny on the volume bar, why the price was ranging. The psychology behind this is that the sellers are finally dried up, and once they dried up, you only need a little number of buyers and boom, the price will shoot up rapidly. Guys, I will be posting continuous analysis on your favorite cryptocurrency pair. I'll be doing analysis on the current psychology of the market, the way the price action are behaving, and I'll be giving you the target where the next phase or where the next rally will have a break, so you can take your profits sharply. I'll appreciate if you can subscribe to the channel and click the bell button. If you like the video, share with your friends. I'll appreciate that. Let me continue. Now that the price has finally hit the support zone again, it's now a good time to start buying because it has nowhere to go. We also have the 200-day moving average, which is also confirming that that's the bottom of the downward correction. Let me now go into the big picture and show you some of the things that is going on earlier, and we will now target the take profit zone. The market bottom and the rally has started. It has a very nice rally up to point 1. Then it retraced to point 2, which is on the 200-day moving average. From there, the buyers come in, they push the price upward to point 3. It's a little bit above point 1, but it's not having much follow through. So the seller take it down back to the 50-day moving average. The buyers couldn't allow them to go beyond that level. They push it upward again. But the seller come out very hard at point 4 with a very strong reversal bar. This is the bar that changed the whole story and sent CELR network into a long correction, and the correction has now finally stopped on the 200-day moving average. Bounce off from here have started the rally, and the next phase is point 4. Once it finally rises to point 4 again, we will check how the price will behave at this level, and if it breaks above the level, boom, it has finally resumed an uptrend, and we will now be focusing on the target area. Our target point is not far-fetched. It's just the same distance which we calculated from the bottom of the market to point 1. That's the last successful leg that it had. Point 1, 2, 3, 4 are still sideways trading. They are not very clear in direction, and once it finally breaks above point 4, because it has established 2 legs on the support zone, which is a very good indication, and the volume has well dried up even from around point 4 towards down. Look at it underneath the chart. It has dried up drastically, so that's a very good indication that yes, the sellers are finally finished and it's now the time for the coin to rally. So our target point is 0.09. That's our target on CELR network. I would like you to subscribe to the channel for more analysis and updates on your favorite cryptocurrency pair. If you have any question, like the video and share with your friend. Post your question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. I'll see you guys in the next analysis.